Right now, I'm driving down the highway back to Iowa with 5 trailer tires. I'm supposed to have 6. That's right. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, that's right. We bought another boat. Oh, hey, dog. 1997 Fountain 32 Fever. Whoa, I mean, look at that. But that's enough. You don't get any more for right now. I got a lot to do. I gotta lock this trailer up. We gotta power wash this aluminum gooseneck flatbed, and we might list it for sale. All custom built aluminum, probably weighs no more than 1,800 pounds. Brand new tires, axles are in great shape. Twin 4,000 pound axles on it, ramps, a spare, and then the main goal is to finish working on the original wishbone trailer that we got with the C-Ray. I gotta swap some tires around, reseat the rim on this guy, and then the final thing was put a brand new hub on this axle, because that was our last hub that blew out. That hub's brand new, that hub's brand new, this hub's brand new, all new bearings. That side hasn't been any problems. I don't know what it is about the right side of trailers, but apparently they all blow out. But anyway, we put a lot of work in this trailer. We painted the whole thing, 415, the entire frame of it, new carpet, new rope, brand new bow catcher from Florida, brand new winch post. I'm thinking $6 grand. 2 5/16 ball. It's got electric trailer brakes on 2 axles. It's beefy. It's a heavy duty trailer, just not right for what we were trying to do with the C-Ray. And for that reason, it's gotta go. We got lots of other stuff going on. I don't know if any of you guys are interested. 6 grand, 5 grand, let me know. It'll be on Marketplace soon, hopefully today. That's my goal. Enough talking, I'm gonna get to work. Oh, and the C-Ray, by the way, still at the Lake of the Ozarks. We left it down there so I could go and get the fountain. But as always, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna get to work. No, it doesn't have any engines. Yes, it needs to be cleaned, but that's what winter's for. So here it is, beautiful boat. It's dirty, it's been sitting straight out of Lexington, Kentucky. I drove all the way from the Lake of the Ozarks, from the shootout, stayed with some family, and then went from my family to Lexington, all the way back to Iowa. 14-hour trip that was supposed to be only 9 hours. Thank you, Indianapolis, for the traffic. But here she is. She's no beaut, but with a little bit of TLC, some hard work, it's gonna be a nice boat. This thing has all the potential to be a 75-mile-an-hour boat with, we're gonna put back in it the original 502 big block engines. So it's got your heavy duty steering rod in the middle, fountain hydraulic steering. Oh look, somebody replaced the bolt at some point. Nice. It's really something. Bravo drives, lots of room for big engines inside, and then the very retro 1990s decal and paint job, which I think I'm gonna leave. It's in really good shape, just needs to be cleaned. So today, I thought I'd just show off the boat to you guys. Let me know what you think of that intro. Thought I'd change it up a little bit, got some inspiration from some other YouTubers out there. But here she is, our newest addition, 1997 Fountain Fever 32. She's gonna be a ripper. Just gave the Cummins its first bath in a very long time, and let me say, she is looking very good. You know, it's a tradesman. It ain't much, but it's honest work. And it's performing great. It's got a new power steering pump, professionally done. I put in a new clutch fan so it cools itself. She's back, baby. I gotta do some more maintenance to it. I'm gonna fluid film the underside of it. I'm gonna get rid of the steel nasty bumper on the back. Leave this bad boy. That's just a little blurb on the Cummins. She's doing great. I love this truck. You can tell we've been boating too. We got our spare tire from the big gooseneck trailer. We got the anchor from the Sea Ray that's sitting down at the Lake of the Ozarks right now, waiting for us to come back and pick it up because I had to go and get this guy. Man, I gotta stop giving myself so many projects. Oh, and on my drive back, of course, it wouldn't be a MakinMotorMoves boat escapade if you didn't have some issues. Studs pulled out of this 5-spoke hub, so I had to take the tire off. Drove back with only 5 tires. It was pretty awesome. I did it. Only gonna ride with 2. Why? Why do I do this? But again, as always, thank you guys for tuning in. We're really pushing the channel, hoping to get to 1,000 subscribers by the beginning of next year, and it's looking like we're gonna get there. So, as always, help us out, like, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. that needs to be fixed. So, sweet. Huge shout out to Luke for letting us park here. He's got his old 1320 video shirt on.
Oh, yeah.
Big old horsefly on his back.
Oh yeah, they're so
Dude,
many.
look at him.
They're
What
so
the
bad.
hell? Screw that.
That scared the shit out of me. Came right in.
Alrighty, that's where she'll sit.